Assalamu alaikum, grade 7. Your English teacher is here with Oxford Progressive English Lessons from Allied School. Open your books at page number 84. We are going to study last chapter of unit number 3. Chapter number 6, it is a poem, Island Man. It is a poem for a Caribbean island man in London who still wakes up to the sound of the sea. So friends, in this poem, the poet narrates the life of a Caribbean island man in the city London. London is a very busy city that is full of traffic and there is noise of traffic wheels all the time. But Caribbean island is a peaceful place where is the noise of sea waves only. So when a Caribbean island man comes in London, he feels the noise of waves, and in this poem he regards the noise of traffic as the noise of sea waves and still feels himself on the island. So students, come towards the board to discuss the summary of this poem, because the proper reading of this poem will be given in online lecture on Zoom app. Island Man summary. In this poem, the poet explains the life of a Caribbean island man in London. He is in London but still feels the flashbacks of his life on island. In his imagination, he regards the noise of traffic as the roaring of sea waves. Thus, this poem presents a beautiful comparison of London and Caribbean island. Friends, now we move towards the words meanings of this chapter. Words meanings: number 1, surf, foamy waves. Number 2, groggily, weakly. Number 3, metallic, made of metal. Number 4, soar, go up high in the air. Number 5, surge, forward and upward movement. Number 6, muffling, suppressed sound. So friends, you will write these words meanings in your notebooks and learn them. Friends, now we are going to solve the reading for detail of this chapter at page number 85. Reading for detail. Open your notebooks and start to write question answers. Question number 1. What can island man hear as he wakes up? Answer. He can hear sounds of sea waves. Question number 2. What can island man see in his imagination as he wakes up? Answer. He can see wild seabirds, fishermen and rising of the sun. Question number 3. What in reality are the sounds of the sea? Answer. In reality, the sounds of the sea are merely the roar of the road traffic. Question number 4. What in reality are the waves? Answer. In reality, the waves are the advancing wheels of the passing vehicles. Question number 5. How does his day back home compare with his London day? Answer. Back home, his day began with the sounds of the sea that made him happy. In London, his day begins with the noise of traffic which depresses him. Friends, these are the 5 question answers in reading for detail that we have solved. Now you will write these question answers in your notebooks and learn them by heart. Students, now you will open page number 86 on your books, because we are going to start unit number 4, Sugar and Spice. Our first chapter is a newspaper article. Britain tucks into America's hippest, highest fat trend, the Krispy Kreme. Friends, Krispy Kreme is a company in America. It exports donuts. The donuts of this company contain fat and extra calories that are very dangerous to the health of the people. This company is spreading its net in the whole of the world, and its new target is England. So let us study the summary of this chapter on the board, because the proper reading of this chapter will be given in online lecture on Zoom app. Unit 4, Sugar and Spice. Chapter 1, the Krispy Kreme donut. Summary. In this newspaper article, the writer reports that America's favorite things are heading to England. Amongst them are the donuts. These donuts have been termed as weapons of mass destruction because they destroy the health of people on a massive scale. The dietitians are worried about the health of people because they see no benefit in these donuts with unnecessary calories. Friends, now move towards the words meanings of this chapter. Number 1, dough, mixture of flour and water. Number 2, branded, named. Number 3, heading, going towards. Number 4, predict, tell beforehand. Number 5, disposable, that is thrown away after use. Number 6, cynical, indifferent. Students, we will write these words meanings in your notebooks and learn them. Students, now it's time to move towards the reading for understanding of this chapter. We shall solve first 5 question answers of this reading for understanding at page number 88. So open your notebooks and start to write question answers. Come towards the board. Reading for understanding. Question number 1. What does Michael Chong predict? Answer. He predicts that donuts will enjoy massive success in Britain. Question number 2. Explain the Krispy Kreme company's plan for expansion in Britain. Answer. The company plans to open 100 shops in Britain over the next 5 years. Question number 3. What is an S-DVD and what is one of its disadvantages? Answer. The S-DVDs are the discs which oxidize within 48 hours after being removed from their vacuum seals. People are worried about their impact on environment. Question number 4. Why are Krispy Kreme donuts so irresistible to the consumers? Answer. Because they are beautiful and crispy. Question number 5. Why are the dietitians worried about Krispy Kreme donuts? Answer. They are worried about the fat content of these donuts. Friends, we will write these question answers in your notebooks and learn them by heart. Friends, now we are going to solve an exercise at page number 89. Exercise number 1. Using the context to help you, write down what these words and phrases from the text mean. So these are the words and phrases from the text of your story. You can take help from the text to give their meanings. So I have solved this exercise for you. Let us read this. Sales phenomenon, having enormous sales. Consumer preference, desire of the buyer for something. Trend spotter, noticing changing situation. Sector, department. Lifestyle import, following the styles of living of the foreigners. Dietitian, food specialist. Nutritional benefit, measurement of how much nutrition a food provides. So friends, you will solve this exercise on your book and learn it. Now we move towards our next exercise on next page. Here we are going to solve exercise 3. Find the words in the paragraphs indicated which mean the same as the following. So these are the words from the text. We are asked to write the meanings of these words. Labeled means branded, forecasts, predicts, throw away, dispose, wipes itself out, erases itself, heavily criticized, condemned, effect, impact, famous for a dishonorable reason, notorious, hasten, celebrate, appealing to the senses, aesthetic. So students, you will solve these 2 exercises on your books and learn them. This was our 1 week's task of English Oxford. Prepare all the tasks carefully. Allah Hafiz.